What is Phylum Arthropoda? Phylum Arthropoda is a large and diverse phylum that includes animals with jointed appendages and exoskeletons. There are 5 main orders within Phylum Arthropoda. Order Insecta, insects. 1. 3 pairs of legs, typically attached to the thorax. 2. 1 pair of antennae used for sensory perception. 3. Usually 2 pairs of wings, although some insects may lack wings or have modified wings. Order Arachnida, arachnids. 1. 4 pairs of legs, typically attached to the cephalothorax. 2. 2 main body regions, cephalothorax and abdomen, and lack antennae. 3. Typically have specialized appendages, such as chelicerae, fangs, and pedipalps, modified legs. Order Crustacea, crustaceans. 1. 2 pairs of antennae used for sensory perception. 2. Typically have 2 pairs of appendages per segment. 3. Most have a carapace, hard exoskeleton, and some have specialized appendages such as claws or swimmerets. Order Myriapoda, myriapods. 1. Many legs, with numerous segments and pairs of legs varying from around 10 to over 750 legs, depending on the species. 2. 1 pair of antennae used for sensory perception. 3. Usually elongated body with distinct head and numerous leg-bearing segments. Order Malacostraca, malacostracans. 1. Typically have 2 pairs of antennae used for sensory perception. 2. 2 main body regions, cephalothorax and abdomen, often covered by a carapace. 3. Most have specialized appendages such as claws, pincers, or swimmerets, and have a wide range of lifestyles including marine, freshwater, and terrestrial. Order Meristomata, horseshoe crabs. 1. 2 main body regions, prosoma, cephalothorax, and opisthosoma, abdomen. 2. 2 large compound eyes, as well as several simple eyes, ocelli, on the prosoma. 3. Typically have a hard exoskeleton and a long pointed tail spine. Thanks for watching.